Hello, friends. So, today I wanted to talk a little bit about 5D, 3D, 4D, 5D. It's a big topic that's been going around for a long time, especially this last year as we've noticed a lot of shifts and changes. So I just want to share, I'm just going to give you a quick overview. So 3D vibrations that the earth has been operating from, which actually we've been operating from for a very many years, hundreds and hundreds of years, which is all about fear and separation. And then you have 4D, which is that bridge that takes you from 3D to 5D. It's where you do your inner work and where you begin to have your spiritual awakening and you start to realize what's really going on. And then you move into 5D, which is your unity consciousness. And we're very close to moving into that space. That being said, as we're finding this what they call the 3D, 5D split, you can look around and you can see where there's fear and separation and where there's unity consciousness. And that's what we're here to pay attention to. If you buy into the fear at this time, especially here in the United States with such a wild political climate right now, you can get pulled into 3D very quickly and it won't feel very good. You'll feel scared, you'll feel afraid about where we're headed, and you'll just have that overall gross feeling in your body. And 5D, there is this place of peace and understanding, and faith is not hard to have in that place because you can feel what's coming, which is really exciting. But when you are getting ready to receive something amazing, the old has to fall away so there's room to receive. That's just the nature of being a human. The old stuff falls away so the new stuff can come on in. And so to navigate this period of time, you have to turn away from fear. Anything that makes you feel afraid, refuse to engage with it. It will help you so much. Fear is the enemy right now, and it's big. It's so big right now. I can say that we're walking around in more fear than I've ever seen in my entire life. I'm 53 years old, and I'm like, holy crap. There is so much going on outside of us that would be so easy to buy into and be scared. I don't feel scared because I know what's coming. I know that unity consciousness is moving in. And in order for it to happen, we have to let go of the old paradigms. This is why stuff's happening with Kamala and Trump. That's why things are happening with Diddy, and all that shit's coming up to the surface to be cleared out and taken care of. Misogyny and the patriarchy is under attack. Thank God. I'm so sick of that crap. And it's all being dissolved so that unity consciousness can come in and we can really be enjoying the new earth experience. So turn away from the fear. Don't buy into it. Let it go because it will not serve you and it's not real anyway. Wait and see. Things are going to get really good for all of us.